What's up, y'all? Caustic 4-0 on the check-in, man. I hope everybody having a good weekend. So look, I'm working on my Darrell interrogation, part 2. It's going to be funny as hell. But right now, I kept getting comments saying, yo, look at the COVID joint. Look at the COVID video when he was trying to delay because of COVID. And then look at the results. So I'm about to react to that because it just sound funny. It sound funny, bro. So I'm tuned in and I'm about to react to this, see what's going on with Darrell bluffing ass, bro. This dude he a trip, bro.
I just want you to know that I'm not arguing with you either, but I was right in the middle of finishing what I was saying.
So I need to stop you for a minute, Mr. Brooks,
I don't
because
consent to that, Your Honor, because
you don't have to consent.
I
But
don't
here we go.
consent or agree to being cut off.
Why do he
right
think he
when
got
I'm
so
trying-
much
Right, I'm
power
just
when
gonna
he's saying
talk
he
over
don't
him for a
consent? He don't
minute.
consent.
I do not
Like, bro,
have
it don't
any
matter what
other
you consent to.
information regarding the COVID-19 protocol, meaning anything specific about you, Mr. Brooks, other than what was put in the inmate communication, which reads, due to just learning I'm on COVID-19 protocol, I respectfully ask for all proceedings to be adjourned at this time, which is why I asked
This dude
you.
tried everything. This dude tried everything in his power, bro, to delay this. I don't know, bro. He tried everything in his power, bro. And like, I'm gonna need you to stand up straight, bro. I'm gonna need you to stand up straight, Darrell. I'm gonna need you to stand up straight, bro. You looking, matter of fact, stay like that. It's deserving. It's deserving. Where you going at? You might as well practice. You might as well practice. Go ahead. My bad,
If there
y'all.
was any other information you wanted to provide me as I
Look at his
consider
fingers,
your
bro. I
request,
hate that.
because the jail has not provided me with any specific information regarding the reason you were placed on protocol, whether you were exposed, whether you are showing symptoms. They
Right.
cannot provide me with that information absent you giving them permission by signing an applicable authorization to do that. Without that, I have to rely upon you to provide that information to me if you so choose.
That is incorrect because just yesterday you were
How you gonna tell
trying
her it's
to
incorrect?
obtain the witness list that was in my cell. You had no problem whatsoever having the JA come down here to have me verify that they can go in my cell and search for that. So I find
What?
it very hard to believe that you can't consult with jail staff for them to tell you what is going on in my situation.
Yo,
where they
see, I'm noticing another problem too with this weirdo, right? He always trying to compare situations. And you just can't do that. You can't do that, bro. You can't just keep comparing situations. Oh, since you was able to do this, Your Honor, I find it hard to believe that you can't do this. It's two whole separate things, bro.
I have to wait for the results of my test, and until then I am on a protocol which restricts me to my cell. That is very easy information to obtain, and I find it very hard that Your Honor cannot obtain that information, but can obtain a way to communicate with jail staff when there's a witness list involved.
But
We're talking about
that's a
someone's
false equivalent,
health
bro.
that can affect not just you, but anybody else, not just officers, but also inmates. We're
I
talking
hate your
about health, and
tattoos,
we're
bro.
talking about safety.
Your
That
tattoos
has
is absolute
a lot
dog
of
shit.
merit. And frankly, Your Honor, I'm afraid. I'm fully vaccinated, and I've never had COVID. I don't know what I'm looking at here. I'm that was the last thing I was hoping I would be told today, Your Honor. So I'm afraid right now.
Just shut up.
I'm not feeling well. I don't know
Shut
what's
up.
going on with myself. That's the reason why I put in the
You's
sick
a
call
hoe.
slip initially. I had been telling officers for days that I hadn't been feeling well, but I didn't know what it was. But I felt that I had to put in the sick call slip because I was not able to taste anything. That is the reason why I was
This
seen by
dude is
nurses.
terrible,
That is the
bro. This
reason why-
dude terrible. This dude terrible, man. He absolutely terrible. Frankly, Your Honor, I'm afraid. I'm afraid, Your Honor. I've been vaccinated for COVID. I'm afraid. Man, shut
The
up.
COVID test was administered, and that's why I'm on the protocol as we speak.
I hate his
Willing
voice
to
and his
discuss with
accent,
me
bro.
what tests were done?
I
Again,
don't-
I cannot obtain that
I don't.
information on my own.
I'm not a nurse, Your Honor. I don't know the name
We
of
know
the
you ain't
test.
a
I don't.
nurse.
Like I said, I've never had this
Let me
happen.
clarify that. That was a pretty ambiguous question.
I hate the
So,
shape of his head, bro.
You reported symptoms as that's what you're telling me, right?
Correct.
And you're saying some tests were done?
I mean, that it's obvious. I mean, why can't it be verified with the nurse?
I have to verify it with you. The
Man, stop
nurse
saying
will
it's
not
obvious and
provide you
answer
with
the
this
question.
information.
But the jail can because they control the movement. They
Um,
control all inmate movement. I can't just go from my cell to a HSU.
Inmate movement is not the issue at the
It's,
moment.
it's not, but
It-
I'm saying, how can I tell you, how can I answer what you're asking me? It doesn't make sense. We all understand that the jail itself controls the movement of the inmates. That's common sense, Your Honor.
I'm not here to talk
I
about
can't-
inmate
I can't
movement
just-
at the
I can't
moment.
just
What I'm
walk to
asking
the
you is,
HSU.
do you believe you were tested for COVID?
I obviously was tested for COVID. I would not be on the protocol if I was not.
Do you know
The
what
nurses-
type
I
of
hate
test?
this
Was
dude.
it an oral swab, a nasal swab?
It was a nasal swab.
All right. Do you know when the results of that test will be back?
From my understanding, Friday. That's what I was told by the doctors. I would have to be at least on this protocol until the results come back, which
Were you-
he said the earliest would be Friday.
Were you offered a rapid test?
They said they
Hell
would not
yeah.
do the rapid test.
So you weren't offered a rapid test?
They said they don't do them.
This nigga is cat. This dude is cat, man. You know damn well they got a rapid test, man. Get the they said they don't do the rapid test. Mind you, y'all, he not answering the question. She said, did they offer you the rapid test? He said, they said they don't do the rapid test. It's a yes or no question, bro. This dude is, oh man.
If one can be obtained, are you willing to submit to a rapid test?
I'm not willing to submit to anything right now until we.
Were you
Listen.
so you weren't offered a rapid test?
They said they don't do them.
If one can be obtained, are you willing to submit to a rapid test?
I'm not willing to submit to anything right now until we take care of.
But you so scared. You so scared, frankly, Your Honor. I'm just scared. You want to do a rapid test like right now? We can get you. Hey, bro, we can get you a rapid test right now. Matter of fact, I got one in the. You want one right now? Because you said you were scared. No, Your Honor, I don't want one. No, I'm not. Why? Why would I look at this anything other than you bluffing and trying to delay everything? You said you up there hunched over, face down, ass up. Darrell Brooks up there, face down, ass up, and you scared for your life, but you don't want a rapid test. You don't want to find out today.
The issues that's at hand. I mean, I've already been placed on the protocol. Frankly, I'm very afraid right now because I don't know what's going on. This is new to me. Like I said, I'm fully vaccinated, Your Honor. I've been fully vaccinated since 2021. And so for this to just be sprung on me now to say this could possibly be a COVID thing,
Bruh.
I've had people close to me that have passed away from COVID. I'm afraid as hell, Your Honor.
All right. For one, I don't believe that. I don't believe that, bro. I don't believe I had people close to me die from COVID. No, you haven't, bro. You just trying to say that to validate what you like. That's some bull. I don't believe that at all. And then you trying to sell that you scared. Take the rapid test then, Darrell. Take the rapid test then. Look. I hate this dude, bro.
That's the reason why I submitted.
You need to give
the
your mask a
ICF
break, bro.
For the adjournment.
This dude wearing the
I was
same
thinking
mask
at
every
least
day.
until I can get the results at bare minimum.
I know inside, bro. I know inside that mask stink, boy. That inside that mask stink, boy. My bad, y'all.
I don't think I'm asking something that's
Sir,
impossible for
if
your
I
honor to
can
grant.
make arrangements to have a rapid test
He don't want that.
brought to you and administered, are you willing to submit to that test?
Not at this time.
Why not?
Not at this time.
Why not?
Why can't I get the results for the test I already took?
But you're telling me you're scared, you're
Yes,
fearful.
I am.
Facts,
I
Judge.
You
took
don't
very-
want to take a test that might
I
tell
took-
you today?
I
Yeah,
took the
like
test
facts.
That he gave me. If
And you're
he
telling me
felt-
that test result won't be available to you until at least Friday.
At least Friday, that's what I was
So
told.
tomorrow.
I was told.
Look at
that
them,
I
they're
would
like,
be
this
placed
dude
on
terrible.
protocol until the results came back. The earliest that the results would be back would be Friday.
So that sounds like, to me, I think that's what they call a PCR test.
You bluffing.
have
Let's
no
see,
idea,
man.
man.
I don't even
No
want to.
idea
Let's see
what
the
you-
results. Let's see, because I got that shit saved. I saved it. Let me see. All right, so then she do the results right here. All right. Let's see
I
this.
don't consent to being talked to in that fashion.
Your lack of consent is noted for the record. Please find the piece of paper, open it up, and please read
Why
it.
do he
I
look
will
so
not
dumb in the
consent to that,
face?
Your Honor. Or do I agree to that, Your Honor? I do not.
Let me see. Hold
Mr.
up.
Brooks, your lack of consent is noted for the record. Please find the piece of paper, open it up, and please read it.
I will not consent to that, Your Honor. Or do I agree to that, Your Honor? I do not.
Mr. Brooks, then I'm going to advise the
What?
Sheriff's Department to find the piece of paper and hand it to me so that I can read it. So that those are your two options.
What would be the basis for that, Your Honor?
Mr. Brooks, this is an issue that you raised, and I need to bring it to finality and know what the test result is.
What?
Okay, with all due respect, it was a motion that I raised.
All right,
or-
I'm going to clear
Bro,
the...
how, yo. Listen to me, y'all. This man went up. This man was up there, face down, ass up, with that stink ass mask, up there talking about how scared he is with the COVID. And frankly, Your Honor, I'm scared. And I had people close to me die from COVID and all this. Get the results in. And don't want to open the results. And then not only that, you're going to say, why? You're going to ask basically why to open the results. Boy, you brought this issue to the court. What? I don't understand. Like, if this don't show delay tactics, bro, I don't know what it is, bro. This man know he negative for COVID. He know he negative for COVID, bro. And he don't want... This is crazy, bro. This man said, what? Man, let me see.
Two options.
What would be the basis for that, Your Honor?
What would be the
Mr.
basis?
Brooks, this is an issue that you raised, and I
Facts.
need to bring it to finality and know what the test result is.
Okay, with all due respect, it was a motion that I raised.
Bro.
All right, I'm going to clear the courtroom. We're going to go off the record, and we're going to find that piece of paper, and I'm going to address it when that's done.
Ha ha.
I needed to make a record of what was being done.
Talk, girlfriend, talk.
Including that I have obtained the test result, so there's an accurate record in this case related to the motion that was raised previously by Mr. Brooks. I want Mr. Brooks to know that I am not removing him from when the jurors are brought back in. It was just simply because he was upset. He was very loud when I walked into the courtroom before going on back on the record.
Look
He
at this
was
man-child, bro.
yelling
there
about his
pouting 'cause
constitutional
he
rights
negative.
being violated. I advised him that if there
I
was
know
any
he
type
negative.
of use of force that he wanted to complain about, he could certainly do that through the proper channels with the sheriff's department, but just given his state of agitation
Look at
and
this
my need
man
to make a
child.
record, I had him taken to the other courtroom. He is currently muted. I do not intend to go forward with additional testimony. Ultimately, I'm going to take an early lunch break because of this, but I will make a record of the following. I have the result. I am
Drum roll.
going to scan it, have my clerk scan it. It will be filed as confidential, though. It won't be available to the public.
Drum roll.
But it's there for appellate purposes, but I can confirm that the test result for COVID-19 was negative.
Duh.
And again, I required
Ray Charles
the
could see
sheriff's
that.
department to provide that result to me, and it was, and it will remain under seal. I realize I'm
This dude's
disclosing
a
that
bozo,
result, but I
man.
feel obligated
He
to
did
do
all
that
that
given the
face down,
motion that
ass
was
up.
raised 2 days ago by Mr. Brooks.
Look at him. He's salty.
So I'm not
Wow.
arguing.
Oh, he's so salty, bro. This man's so salty. Caustic 410, I'm out. Look out for the interrogation part 2. This COVID shit crazy, bro. Like, that's face down, ass up. Damn, Darrell.